Today I just want to do a quick unboxing of the Yema Superman with the MPB1000 in-house movement in the Mysterious Blue dial. So first off, I've got this little introductory booklet on Yema. And to the box now. Comes in a nice little PVC travel pouch with the Yema embossed logo on the left hand corner. Opening it up is the warranty card done in a nice leather card format. And to the watch itself now. So the watch is a 41mm diver with this nice looking matte dial which changes to a dark blue. And now to the watch itself. This is a 41mm case with the matte dial where you can see the mysterious blue transitioning between a black and a blue depending on the lighting. It's also a sort of vintage reinterpretation with these highly polished square hour markers and this aluminium dial. The case back as well is highly polished and nicely engraved with a deep sort of 3D effect, as you can see here, between the matte and the polish. The strap itself isn't anything special, but as a consolation, I guess, they've got drilled lug holes, as you can see here. That makes changing straps very easy on this watch, and a variety of silicone, NATO, or even other leather straps suit this very well. And lastly, just a quick look at the crown guard. As you can see here, it does its job without any movement. In unwinding, the crown loosens this here, enables you to lock in once you've set the bezel. All in all, it's quite a nice watch with a variety of strap changes that are made easy with the drilled lugs, and the performance on the MPB1000 haven't disappointed as of yet. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for future content.